morning students. Today we are going to solve for practice set 4.1. The first question is, see, Pawan medical supplies, medicines. On some medicines the rate of GST is 12%. Then what is the rate of CGST and SGST? As I have told you in the theory class that whatever the rate of GST is, the 50% goes to CGST and 50% goes to SGST. So therefore, when GST is given as GST is equal to as 12% given. Therefore, here CGST is equal to SGST percentage. SGST, that is equal to half of 12, that is equal to 6%. So therefore CGST is also equal to, therefore CGST is equal to 6% and SGST is equal to as 6%. This is the solution of first question. Now we go to the second one. On certain articles, if rate of CGST is 9%. See, on certain articles, CGST is given as 9%. Then what is the rate of SGST and what is the rate of CGST? So, what is the rate of GST? CGST is given as is equal to as 9%. CGST rate is equal to, we can write it like this also, rate is equal to as 9% given. Therefore, SGST is also equal to as, SGST rate is also equal to as 9%. And GST will be equal to as, GST is equal to 9% plus 9%, that will be equal to 18%. This is the solution of second question. So now let's start with the third question. The question is, Mr. Real Painter sold 2 tins of luster paint and taxable value of each tin is 2,800. That is, taxable value of each tin is 2,800. If the rate of GST is 28%, then find the amount of CGST and SGST charged in the tax invoice. So we have to find out the CGST and SGST. Now, taxable value of one tin, one luster painter tin is equal to taxable value of one tin is equal to rupees 2,800 given. Therefore, taxable value of 2 tins will be equal to as 2,800 multiplied by 2, that is equal to as 0, 0, 2 8 is 16, carry 1, 2 to the 4 and 5. 5,600 rupees. So, this is the taxable value we got of 2 tins. Now, rate of GST is equal to 28%. Therefore, rate of CGST will be equal to rate of CGST will be equal to as 28, half of it, that is equal to 14%. Therefore, CGST charged is equal to 14% of the taxable value of 2 tins, that is 5,600. So this is equal to 14%, 14 by 100 of 5,600. 0, 0 cancels, so it is equal to 14 multiplied by 56, and that will be equal to as 56 multiplied by 14, 4 6 are 24, carry 2, 4 5 are 20, 22, and then 1 are 6 and 5, so it is 4, 6, 7, 8 and 5, 6, 7. So 784 rupees, this is the CGST charge. Therefore, SGST, therefore same thing, CGST is equal to as SGST. Therefore, SGST is equal to SGST is also equal to 784 rupees. Directly we can say, because we know that CGST is equal to SGST. So this is the solution. Now we go to this fourth question. The taxable value of the wristwatch belt is 586 rupees given. Rate of GST is 18%. Then what is the price of the belt for the customer? So let us take that is taxable value. Taxable value of wristwatch belt, only the belt is equal to rupees 586 rupees. Rate of GST given, rate of GST is equal to as 18%. Therefore, price for the customer, price of the belt for the customer will be equal to as taxable value plus GST. So taxable value we already know, it is 586. Let us find out the GST. So GST on the taxable value, that is GST is equal to how much? 18% of 586. So this will be equal to 586 plus 18 by 100 into 586. 2's are, we can cancel it. 2 5 the 10, 0, 2 2 the 4, carry 1, 2 9 the 18, 2 3 the 6. This is here 2 9 the 18, 2 25 sir. Therefore, this is equal to 586 plus. Now we will multiply this one, that is 293 multiplied by 9. That is 9 multiplied by 293 divided by 25. So that is equal to 586 plus 9 multiplied by 9 sir. 9 3 is 27, carry 2, 9 9 is 81, 82, 83, 83, carry 8, 9 to the 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. This upon 25. So this is equal to as, we will continue, as 586 plus. Now you have to divide this. That is 2637 divided by 25. 25 one side is 25 minus 1 is the remainder, bring down 3. It is not divisible. So put a 0 here and bring down this 7. So 137. So therefore 25 5 is 135, 25 6 6 5 is 30, carry 3, 6 to the 12, 30, 40, 15. It will be more. So we have to take 5 that is 125. Minus it, you will remain with the 12. So take a point, take a 0. So 25 4 is 100. 20 is remaining. Take a 0 again. That 8 you will get 200. 25 8 25 8 8 5 is 40, carry 4, 8 was to the 8 to the 16, 17, 19, 20. Yes, correct. So therefore here minus 0 0. Therefore this is equal to 105.48. Now the solution will be, now add this, that is 586 add 105.48 must be outside. I am showing this because many of you get mistakes here. So point here, when that is now point here whole number, you have to put 0.40 and the point must be in a line. So 48 will be as it is. Here added 1, here 1, 9 and this is 5, 6. So 691.48 rupees. This is the rate of the belt This is the price of the belt for the customer. That is taxable value plus the GST, including we get this much is the price. So this is the solution. Okay, now we will start with the fifth question. The question is given total value with GST. It is given that the value whatever is given, it is with including GST. With the GST of a remote controller toy car is rupees 1770. That means this is the amount paid by the customer ultimately after adding a GST. So rate of GST is given as 18% on toys. Find the taxable value. We have to find the taxable value, the value before paying GST, value of the toy. So find the taxable value, CGST and SGST also of this toy car. So let us take what is given. That is total value is given. Total value of the toy car is equal to rupees 1770. Rate of GST given as rate of GST is equal to as 18%. That means if GST is 18% means if GST is rupees 18, then the taxable value is 100. Therefore, when GST is equal to as 18 rupees, then taxable value is equal to as value, let us take it equal to 100 rupees. Therefore, total value will be equal to as 100 plus 18, that is equal to 118 rupees. So by ratio we will form ratios. So when total value and the GST, because total value is given here and percentage GST is given. From the total value we have to find out what is the GST. So when total value is 100 and so when total value and upon GST, this ratio we will form. So when total value is 118, GST is here as what? GST is equal to as 18 rupees. Therefore, when total value is given 1770, what is the GST? We will find out this. What is the GST? So take these two equal ratios, 118 upon 18 is equal to as 1770 upon GST. We are finding out the GST paid on this total value 1770. So by cross multiplication, GST will be equal to as this cross you take 18 into 1770 divide by 180. So here we can cancel it. 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 11 carry 1, 2 9s are 18. Now 59 you take 3s are 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 5s are 15, 16 17. I got 177. So 59 1s are 59, 3s are, and this 0 is left, put here this 0. Therefore GST will be equal to as, therefore GST is equal to as, this 9 is left and 30 is left. 9 into 30, that is equal to 9 is the 27, 270 rupees. Therefore, we got the GST amount of, find the taxable value. So, therefore taxable value is equal to as, taxable value is equal to as the total value minus GST. So that is equal to as total value is rupees 1770 minus GST we got 270. So that is equal to 0. 7 minus 7 0. Then 7 minus 2 is 5. 1500 rupees. That is the total value we got. We got the total value, taxable value. So therefore CGST is equal to, CGST will be equal to as, now CGST is equal to SGST, and that is equal to as half of GST, that is 270 divided by 2. That is equal to 1 is 2, 3 is 6, carry 1, 2 5 is 10. So that is equal to 135 rupees is the GST or SGST for CGST or SGST for the tax toy car. Now let us solve for the next question, that is the sixth question. Tip Top Electronics supplied an AC of 1.5 tons to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is 51,000 with GST. See, Tip Top Electronics supplied, is the name of the shop, supplied an AC of 1.5 tons to a company. Cost of the AC supplied is to 51,200 with the GST. That means this is the total value of the AC given, 51,200. Rate of CGST on AC is rupees 40 is 14%. CGST rate is given 14%. Then find the following amounts as shown in the tax invoice Tip Top Electronics. So this is there are 6 questions in this that we have to find out. This is just like the previous question, but here all the questions we have to attempt, that is rate of SGST. Rate of CGST is given as rate of GST. Rate of CGST is equal to as 14%. Therefore, first question, therefore rate of SGST is equal to 14%. We have completed the first question. Rate of GST, therefore second one, rate of GST. Rate of GST is equal to as 14 plus 14, that is equal to 28%. We got rate of GST. Then taxable value we have to find out. For this third question, let us solve the third question, that is total value given. Total value of AC is equal to as 51,200 rupees. Rate of GST is equal to as 28%. Therefore GST paid. GST paid now. Rate of GST is 28%. Therefore, when GST is just like the previous question, therefore when GST is equal to as 28 rupees, then taxable value is equal to as 100 rupees. Therefore, total value now we get, total value is equal to as 100 plus 28, that is equal to 128 rupees. This is the total value we got. Now again, just like the previous question, we will form the ratios here. So total value and GST. Total value and GST. So when total value is 128, GST is 28. Now here total value is given as 51,200. What is the GST? GST we are finding out here. So take these two ratios, equal ratios, 128 by 28. This is equal to 51,200 upon GST. So here, therefore GST will be equal to as, GST value is equal to as, cross multiply 28 into 51,200 divided by 128. So here 128 into 4 are, let us see, 4 8s are 32, carry 3, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 11, carry 1, 4 on the 4, 1, 5, correct. So that means 1s are, and this goes 4s are 0, 0. Therefore, now we will multiply. GST is equal to 28 multiplied by 400. That is equal to 0, 0, 4 8 is 32, carry 3, 4 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 11,200 rupees. That is the GST we got. So third question we were attempting, total value is given. We have to find out taxable value. Therefore, taxable value is equal to as total value is equal to total value minus GST. So total value is given as 51,200 minus 11,200. That is equal to 0, 0, 0. Then 1 minus 1 is 0 and 5 minus 1 is 4. 40,000. So taxable value is equal to as 40,000. Yes. Now next question. We got the third question. Now fourth question. Total amount of GST. Fourth question. Total amount of GST is, already we solved the GST total amount. Total GST is equal to 11,200 rupees. Next one is fifth question. Amount of CGST. Amount of CGST. That is equal to 11,200 divided by 2. 2 5 are 10. 2 5 are 10. 11 carry 1. 2 6 are 12. 0 0. So sixth question, amount of SGST. Amount of SGST is also equal to 5,600 rupees. This is the solution. We have solved all the questions one by one. Now let us solve the seventh question, the last question of this practice set. Prasad purchased a washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. That is name of the shop here. Prasad purchased washing machine from Maharashtra Electronic Goods. The discount given, the shopkeeper gave a discount of 5% was given on the price, on the printed price of rupees 40,000. So this is the printed price of rupees 40,000. On this 5% discount was given. After discount is allowed, rate of GST charged was 28%. So after that rate of GST is charged 28%. Find the purchase price of washing machine. What is the purchase price of the washing machine? We have to find out, and also find the amount of CGST and SGST shown in the tax invoice. So let us solve this. That is the printed price given. What is the printed price? Printed price of washing machine. Washing machine is equal to as rupees 40,000. So discount allowed or rate of discount allowed. Rate of discount allowed is equal to 5% on printed price. On printed price. Therefore, discount is equal to discount amount. What is the amount of discount? Amount is equal to as 5% of this 40,000, that is the printed price. That is equal to 5 by 100 into 40,000. 0 0 cancels, so that is equal to 0 0 4 5 are 20, 2,000 rupees the discount. So after allowing discount, then from this discount 2,000 is deducted, and that amount, the remaining amount, becomes the taxable value. So therefore the actual sales price sales price is equal to as 40,000 printed price minus discount 2,000, that is equal to 38,000. Therefore, taxable value is equal to 38,000 rupees. This is the taxable value. On this GST is charged. GST rate of GST is equal to 28%. Therefore, GST is equal to as GST is equal to as 28% off. GST is equal to as 28% of 38,000. So GST is equal to 28% means 28 by 100 into 38,000. So this 20 cancel, that is equal to 28 into 380. So 28 into 38 multiply 8 8 the 64, carry 6, 8 to the 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and then with 3 the 3 8 the 24, carry 2, 3 to the 6, 7, 8. So it is equal to 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. 1064 is the GST. Sorry, this 0 is here. So therefore here this is the GST allowed. That is 10,640 is the GST. This is the GST allowed. So 28% find the purchase price of the washing machine and also find this amount of CGST and SGST. So therefore we got the GST amount. Therefore actual amount paid. Therefore the purchase price. Therefore purchase price or that is the actual value, total value. That is total value of washing machine is equal to as washing machine is equal to, that is 38,000 taxable value plus taxable value plus GST. That is GST is 10,640 and that will be give you as what? 48,640. So this is the total value of that is total value of the washing machine. Now the next question is what? Find the amount of CGST and SGST. Therefore amount of CGST will be equal to SGST, that is equal to 10,640 divided by 2 and that is equal to 2 5 the 10, 2 3 the 6, 2 to the 4 0, 5,320 rupees. Therefore we got all the answers, that is the find purchase price. We'll write one by one. First question, that is purchase price is equal to rupees 48,640. Then also find amount of CGST and SGST. So CGST, second question, CGST is equal to SGST, that is equal to 5,320 rupees. This is the solution of this problem.